A supreme namaskarams to all of you. We are well aware that due to COVID-19 pandemic, there are a lot of predictions especially about health, public health and Indian economy and what not. In this regard, considering the theory of O5US, I am interested to harp upon certain important the remarkable traits of human beings. The first and foremost is we are having lot of capacity to anticipate events and tendencies in a big way and then plan for our future in the short, mid and long term and act accordingly. Always. Most of us do the same. Sometimes these decisions may show that our anticipation is wrong. Nevertheless, by such imaginations or predictions, one gets confidence and work well and go as per his choice. That is a really great potential and real asset. We can't doubt this particular capacity of anticipation of events or future. Rather, that is the strength of each human being to develop his mental abilities, capabilities and work hard in order to achieve his goals. The second aspect about which I want to discuss is the capacity of thinking in terms of gifting in social media, business or important aspects which directly influence the society. The second aspect is that is another important trait. We were not having this particular trait previously, but of late, people who are not having inclination to give something even to a beggar will put down every little thing he knows on the web, if necessary, by adding certain important aspects as if they are true and to the best of his knowledge. So, the humblest of knowledges or additions which we make, we are interested to share in the web and feel that we did a good cause. This is another important trait which is developed of late in the minds of young persons, or the persons who are thinking that they are doing justice in social web by participating for development of the country, by adding the knowledge to the knowledges of the people in the society. These two aspects, one is these two traits. One is the capacity to anticipate events or future tendencies, whatnot, and the generosity to gift the knowledge which acquired or developed by interacting with books or persons or whatnot to the web, and thinking that onerous responsibility is discharged by such generosity act of gifting the knowledge to others. We can say these two traits, one is important and most interesting trait of capacity for making future decisions and acting on the basis of such a knowledge or decision, and then disposition of the generous way of the knowledge into the web. And most particularly in the COVID-19 pandemic, public health and economic problems is really shocking. Whatever a person is anticipating in terms of his health and others' health, or medicines, or economic development of the country or individual, sometimes shocking. One may possess the remarkable capacity for thinking of the future and acting accordingly, but this can't be loaded into web as if it is the correct, and the knowledge which he got in several other ways and adding certain things to it and saying that it is the best, sometimes costly. In our theory, that is O5US, the first one is fixing the object. While fixing the object, you can share the knowledge, and your capacity to anticipate events and tendencies can be improved, but the duration required for reaching the object must be in the scenario of standards internationally fixed for certain important inventions or the scientific approach for achieving those inventions. For example, now there is a lot of discussion that people are thinking that by the end of August or September, there will be vaccine for COVID-19. Why it is happened? Is it true? Definitely, I think not so. Because the duration required for finally approving COVID-19 medicine, COVID-19 vaccine, generally speaking, at least on an average of more than 2 or 3 years. There are certain diseases for which till now we could not get a vaccine, such as, for example, AIDS. If that is so, while fixing the object of inventing COVID-19 vaccine, the duration required is maybe a couple of years or 3 years, as I stated earlier. But the knowledge that is shared to the public is that maybe after August 15th function is over, people are thinking that they can go to hospitals and get vaccine. This is what I would like to impress upon all of you, that the notions, tendencies are mapping your future in the short, mid and long term and acting accordingly, basing on the knowledge which you got, and finally saying that you will get the medicine by the end of August, September or October is absolutely an illegal, I think, injustice to web readers. The web readers must be conscious enough to understand this particular injustice done by the intellectuals and others by sharing their knowledge into the web in a wrong and illegal manner. The persons who are using the scientific invention of web must be very much cautious, and they should not dump whatever they get as part of getting knowledge and improving it. For everything they must show some basis. While coming to the philosophy of O5US, I would like to impress upon you that this duration point while fixing the object is very important. I will rather summarize in small way or in simple terms that before entering into the arena of fixing the object, you shall importantly discuss in your mind and heart and interact with others also if necessary, that the duration that is required must be practical. Before that, you must accept the truth as it is. All true facts you must jot down and note, and then afterwards you must fix the short, mid and long term objects. Thereafter, you must proceed further by exercising all your efforts in achieving the object for doing justice to you and others, particularly in the aspects which dealt with common man in the society, such as COVID-19. In this regard, I say after fixing the object, you must go to the next level, that is O2, that is originality, U and S. What is originality? You know what you are, your capacities and knowledge and the standards that are available in the given time for sharing your knowledge and using your original capacities, and how far and to what extent you can improve your knowledge. Then after you decide your capacity and expertise in the matter or for getting achievement of reaching your object, you can proceed further. So after fixing the object, you must assess your capacities and caliber, and then after accepting the original capacities and improvement of the knowledge of you, you can think of going to the next level. That is next level. Next level is O3. O3 is obscurity. While considering this aspect, you must keep in your mind that the obscurity is not only in terms of mind and body, but also the effects of your acts in the society. If the society is going to benefit even reaching to common man, then you can think of proceeding further with your original capacities and improvised capacities and caliber and knowledge for reaching the goal within the duration, within the period you fixed. Thereafter, the fourth one is O4. O4 is outcome of your entire activities done till the time you fixed, that is the short, mid and long term you fixed for achieving the object which you have already decided, either by forecasting or otherwise by considering the actual and real facts, by admitting the truth. You will come to know the outcome by the date. You can think of whether the outcome is real, and if it is real, you can simply say whether you achieved the goal or not achieved, or achieved more than what you thought. Thereafter, you can definitely say, yeah, I did this. Then, since you did it with your original and improvised thoughts and acts, and achieved or not achieved your goal, before considering and going to the next level is O5. O5 is opportunities, new opportunities which you got after the outcome you understood due to the several acts you have done. While considering the opportunities, you can think of, if necessary, joining with any person or institution which can improve the state of affairs and caliber and knowledge and capacities of you. Thereafter, in the light of such aspect, you can even take your profession or career in any institution, or by sharing the work with any person, so as to see that you don't waste time and money again and again and get the result of reaching your object. So at the end of the day, that is at the end of the day which you fixed for achieving the object, you can think of what to be done clearly in the opportunities available. Not only the opportunity that is available to you to do any work, but the opportunity to others and any institutions in the light of the outcome or result of the efforts you have done. Then you can again share your knowledge and implement the O5US philosophy. So any predictions in COVID-19 pandemic days, more so in respect of public health and economic development of individual and country, must be genuine. Then you share the knowledge with others so as to see that the common man doesn't think that joining in the web or reading, acting as per the knowledges available in the web in respect of COVID-19 is of no use. So do justice in sharing your knowledge or gifting the knowledge to others in the web, more so during this pandemic of COVID-19, and importantly while dealing with public or even individual or common man health or economy of the country or individual. Thank you very much. I hope I am able to do justice in this short time. One more thing, while doing anything, you must keep in mind that illiteracy is high in India, more so among the disabled. So while considering of doing any justice in the web, you must importantly think of the disabled and the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and backward castes are the persons who are economically poor. By eliminating any distinction between them and then do everything that is possible from your end to do justice to the common man in the web, common man who is using the web. So I am not against gifting the knowledge or sharing the knowledge with others in the web or forecasting the events or tendencies or future by anybody, but while doing so, you must think that you must always consider that there are people in the society who are illiterates, more in number in respect of disabled, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe persons, backward caste persons, economically weak persons. Without giving any distinctions to all these persons, I may say that they are not able to perform for any reason correctly or as they liked. So if you share some knowledge which is affecting their interests, then definitely before doing that, you must be cautious that it will reach to the all types of persons in different sectors, and then the public health or the hazardous problems that are there in the pandemic are solved in given time. Thank you very much.